Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. Today, we will discuss another security control frameworks, ISO 27001. ISO 27001 is an international standard for information security management systems, ISMS. It outlines the requirements for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continuously improving an organization's ISMS. One of the primary objectives of ISO 27001 is to ensure that the organization's information assets are protected from all forms of threats, whether internal or external. To achieve this, ISO 27001 requires the implementation of a risk management process that includes the identification, assessment, and treatment of risks. The standard outlines a set of controls that organizations can use to manage information security risks. These controls are divided into 14 categories, which are further classified into 114 control objectives. The categories include information security policies. This category includes controls related to the creation, review, and approval of information security policies, standards, and procedures. Organization of information security. This category includes controls related to the management structure of the organization, roles and responsibilities, and allocation of resources for information security. Human resource security. This category includes controls related to the employment lifecycle, including background checks, employment agreements, and termination procedures. Asset management. This category includes controls related to the identification and classification of information assets, their ownership, and their handling throughout their life cycle. Access control. This category includes controls related to the granting and revocation of access to information and information processing facilities. Cryptography. This category includes controls related to the use of cryptography for confidentiality, integrity, and authentication purposes. Physical and environmental security. This category includes controls related to the protection of information and information processing facilities from physical and environmental threats. Operations security. This category includes controls related to the management of day-to-day operations, such as change management, backups, and system maintenance. Communication security. This category includes controls related to the secure exchange of information, both within the organization and with external parties. System acquisition, development, and maintenance. This category includes controls related to the secure development and maintenance of information systems. Supplier relationships. This category includes controls related to the management of relationships with suppliers of goods and services related to information security. Information security incident management. This category includes controls related to the detection, reporting, and handling of information security incidents. Information security aspects of business continuity management. This category includes controls related to the integration of information security with business continuity management. Compliance. This category includes controls related to the monitoring and measurement of compliance with laws, regulations, and contractual requirements related to information security. Each of these categories has a set of control objectives that organizations must meet to demonstrate compliance with the standard. By implementing these controls, organizations can mitigate information security risks and protect their information assets. The ISO 27001 Information Security Management Standard has been updated with the latest version, ISO 27001-2022, released on October 25, 2022. One of the key changes in the 2022 version is the addition of Annex A, which provides a comprehensive list of security controls that can be implemented to manage information security risks. ISO 27001:2022 adopts a similar categorical approach to information security that distributes processes among 7 top-level categories: organizational context, leadership, planning, support, operation, performance evaluation, and improvement. ISO 27001:2022 promotes a risk-based approach to information security management, prioritizing critical risks. It emphasizes continuous improvement and top management's role in establishing policies, providing resources, and communicating the importance of information security throughout the organization. Overall, ISO 27001:2022 provides a robust framework for managing information security risks and establishing an effective information security management system within an organization. It helps organizations to protect their information assets, maintain business continuity, and comply with relevant laws and regulations related to information security. That concludes the ISO 27001 framework overview. To learn more, click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.